Hi friends, I welcome you all to my channel Talk to Share. Today me and Sheetal are here to share one more recipe, and that is cheesy fondue. So let's hear from Sheetal.
Hi everyone, today we are making cheese fondue with easy recipe. So let's start with the ingredients. We have processed cheese, 2 bowls, cream cheese, 1 cup, butter, half cup, maida, half cup, 1 cup of milk, some oregano and chili flakes. It's a very easy recipe, so let's start. We'll heat the pan along with the butter. We'll add our maida. We'll stir it for some time. Now our maida is cooked. We'll add the milk. You have to add slowly. And keep stirring. Yeah. You have to keep stirring.
Smooth paste.
Yeah. You can add water to adjust the consistency.
Okay.
So I'll add a little bit of water. So I've added a little bit of water.
Okay.
We'll cook it for 2 minutes. Now I'll add the cheese.
Okay. So you can see there is no lumps. Smooth paste is there.
Cream cheese. This is easily available in any supermarket.
Okay.
And cheese, kids love it.
Yeah. And this is a recipe with the cheese and cream. It's rich. This recipe for your cheat day.
Yeah.
In a week you should have one cheat day where you can enjoy and satisfy your palate.
Processed cheese.
Okay, so after cream cheese, processed cheese.
And salt you can add according to your taste because cheese already has a salt.
Okay.
Now you can see the consistency. Now we'll add our oregano and chili flakes.
Okay. So we are using these seasoning. You can add your own seasonings also of your choice.
Our fondue is ready. We'll serve this.
Okay. See, so very simple.
Served with some garlic croutons, garlic bread croutons, zucchini, and carrot.
You can have anything else of your choice.
Of your choice.
Fondue is ready. Enjoy with family and friends. Kids love it. Jhatpat recipe of fondue. Thank you. Thank you, Sheetal.
Thank you.